Hey YouTube, what's going on? Well, it's not going on. It's basically the question of the day of the 824. I just got her in the shed now. I just shoved her in here a couple of days ago. We had gotten a little bit of snow, and then the issue started again. So let me set you down and explain what's going on. Way back. Yeah, sorry about all the racket here. I got both heaters going on. It's not the warmest, but it is starting to warm up. I got a problem with the wheels. It's the inner part of the wheel, like inside where the gears are, and there's a pin there. And I gotta take this, I guess they call them click pins, yeah, and cut the ring off. And then what's gonna hold this click pin in place is this cotter pin. Okay, so I gotta cut this ring off and drill out this piece and put in this cotter pin, and then open it up, put the machine back together again, and see what happens. But that's my theory. Now I don't know if that's the actual problem, and if it is the problem, why is it eating those pins up on the traction wheel? So I don't know. All I know, it works, everything works, but it does not move. Zero move. So, pushed her in here, stopped her in here, and I got the heat going on. When she gets up to a temperature where I can work there. Because right now, it's like 5 degrees. Oh shoot. So actually this doesn't go below 0. Oh, it's got to warm up in here. Okay, let it warm up, and then we'll tackle this thing.
Okay, more for the ones the other ones we bought.
Yeah, I got. What do you do when you're stuck? Good day, YouTubers. Alright. Going back to this Snowblower 824 by Craftsman. There we go. I should put these on macro. Alright, so what are we looking at? We're looking at a broken shear pin. Okay. Click pin, I took off the ring and I drilled it, and I'm going to insert the cotter pin. Let's see how we do.